I just bought my first farm box. Let me show you everything I got. I paid $30 for this box. Tell me if you think this is worth it. 2 bulbs of fennel. Is it bulbs? A dragon fruit, head of green leaf lettuce, 2 oranges, 4 Persian cucumbers, a small head of cabbage, a yellow onion, a persimmon, raspberries, 3 artichokes, 2 avocados, 2 brown tomato, 2 brown potatoes, the cutest mini watermelon, 2 yellow squash, a pomegranate, 2 carrots, 2 ears of corn, a red bell pepper, 4 of these dark tomatoes, and 6 Roma tomatoes. So what do you think? Is this $30 farm box worth it?